So going for the Proteus for designing the traffic light controller, new project, select the path, desktop, projects. I have created already a folder for traffic lights. Select this folder and name the project as traffic light. Coming to this component mode, picking up the device, controller AT89C51, double click on it, it will be selected. Then next I need a traffic lights, type the name traffic. You can see traffic lights, select this, double click, so that device is picked. You can close this window. Now place this controller and traffic lights. I'm maximizing for visibility and I'm connecting this 2.0 pin with red color, 2.2 pin with yellow and 2.2 pin with green. So 2.0 pin is connected to red, 2.1 pin is connected to yellow, and 2.2 pin is connected to green. Now coming to programming, go for the project, close existing project, new UVision project, desktop, projects, select this traffic light folder, give the name traffic, save. It will asking for a target device AT89C51. Select the microcontroller AT89C51 and say OK. It is asking for startup creation. We doesn't need it. Say no. Then go to the file, new, and we need to save this file with the .c extension, traffic .c. Then open this source group, right click, add existing files to the group. This is not created. File, save as, desktop, projects, traffic lights. Traffic.c, it is saved. Now right click on this source group, add existing files to source group. You can see this traffic.c which is saved just now. Select that, add and close. Now we need to type the program with the header line first, hash include reg51.h, then delay function which is common for every project what we are doing. Then next going with the declaration of pins with S bit, red equal to P 2 cap 0, same S bit yellow, this P should be capital letter, now always I am saying it should be capital letter, and we are seeing without any errors. Let me show up some errors and how to debug those errors. So here I am taking small p instead of capital P, and let me see the kind of error it is going to generate. And 2 cap 2. Then next, main function, void main red equal to yellow equal to green equal to 0. Initially I am making all the traffic lights to be off, then going with while loop. So in the while loop, first I am making red color equal to 1, that means red light I am making it as 1, then I am providing a delay value. I need to have a delay of 10 seconds, every 1000 equal to 1 second. So 10 seconds delay I am making for red color on. Then next, after 10 seconds, red equal to 0, and yellow color should be 1, that means turn on yellow color after a delay. So let me write here delay equal to 3000. Let me see what kind of error it is going to generate. The next, yellow equal to 0 and green equal to 1. Here I am not ending it with a semicolon. So when a particular error is generated, how to debug it, that also I want to show it. For that purpose, purposefully I am creating some errors in the program. Now, so this is the program. Red color is 1, after a 10 seconds delay, red is 0, yellow is 1. Then after a delay of 3000, yellow equal to 0, green equal to 1, and after a delay of 10 seconds, green equal to 0. So this is the program written. I need to set the options for target first, setting the frequency 11.0592, clicking on this on chip ROM, going for the output, create hex file, and OK. Then next I am going for project, build target. You can see target is not created, showing there is error. The first error is syntax error near delay expected. No, I'm saying where the error is first. So here it is showing there is error. If you double click this, it will be going to the place where there is error. So here this delay function, it is showing some error. Before this we need to check syntax error near delay. So expected semicolon. So previous line there is no semicolon, so that semicolon has to be kept. So that is the error it is saying. Next, the second error it is saying green undefined identifier. So when you see such kind of error, undefined identifier, that means green is not taken as a identifier. So go for the declarations where we have declared the green. So this is the green So green is not accepting as a identifier. We made declaration here. This is data type or keyword. The next is identifier. So this identifier, green identifier, it is undefined, it is saying, because here it should be capital P. So that error is corrected. And let's again go for project, build target. Then next it is showing two more errors. There is unmodifiable value. So if you double click this, it will be showing or highlighting the place where there is error. So this place, it is showing an error. It is unmodifiable integer value. So this you need to make correction. So I have given delay equal to 3000. That should be kept in a bracket, not delay equal to. Then next, second error, 0 undefined identifier. So if I double click this error, it is highlighting where the error is. So this line there, it is showing error. This 0 is undefined identifier. So this value I have taken it as O. It should be 0, but I have typed it as O. Such kind of errors will happen because you can see in the keyboard both 0 and O are above and up. Sometimes you purposefully or mistakenly you will be doing that. It may occur error. So change that value to 0. Go for project, build target. Now you can see 0 errors, 0 warnings. This is how to debug the errors in the program. Now going for the Proteus, double clicking on this to copy the program into the microcontroller. First set the frequency 11.0592 and to select this hex file we need to go for desktop, projects, traffic lights. In this objects folder you will be having the hex file that is to be copied. Select this traffic.hex, open and say OK. And now simulate it. Now you can see the red color is on. For 10 seconds it will be on, and after 10 seconds of time red will be off and yellow will be on. It will be there for 3 seconds. Then next green is on. This will be there for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds the while loop, it is going to repeat again. The red color will be turned on. So this is how you can design a traffic light controller. But I have shown you here only for one direction. If you need 4 directions, you need to consider 4 traffic lights in 4 directions and indicate each direction. One is traffic light is for east direction, one traffic light is for west direction, one traffic lights are for south direction, and one traffic lights are for south and north directions. So like that 4 directions you need to mention 4 traffic lights and write the program. So this is how we are going to design a traffic light controller embedded system.